The best action cameras will let you film your adventurous videos at excellent qualities. Whether you are surfing or skydiving, these tough recording tools can shoot breathtaking footage of your daring escapades. So in this video, we're going to review 5 of the best action cameras you could buy in 2023. The Olympus Tough TG6 is a hybrid option for those looking for a point-and-shoot camera that can withstand harsh conditions. This compact camera is protected against water, dust, and scratches, allowing you to initiate excellent underwater photography and video capture. It also has 5 different shooting modes that work in low-light conditions. The camera houses a high-resolution f2.0 lens combined with back-illuminated CMOS sensor, giving excellent output to your clicks in extreme moments. With a maximum of 8 times optical zoom, you'll be able to capture your favorite moments even from a good distance. This camera can shoot up to 4K 120fps professional mode video with 120 degrees field of view, ensuring high-res footage for your social media content. Plus, it has 5 underwater shooting modes including underwater microscope and 3 underwater wide balance modes, which provides variation in shooting different scenarios. So whether you are exploring country roads or mountainous highlands, the Olympus Tough TG6 will undoubtedly provide some of the best photographic moments. Moving on, we have the Hero 7 Black from GoPro. This is the cheapest GoPro action camera you can buy in 2023. Although it was released in 2018, this camera still meets the high standards of what features an action camera should have on a very low budget. This action camera is rugged, waterproof even without a case up to 10 meters, and up for any adventure. It can shoot videos up to 4K 60fps at 149 degrees field of view, as well as 10 megapixel still images. The famous hyper-smooth optical image stabilization technology helps keep your clips smooth when things get turbulent. Its auto low-light mode works incredibly well when shooting in darker situations, like under a tree canopy. It's also compatible with majority of GoPro accessories, including the company's wide selection of mounts and connectors. Hence, the more recent accessories should work flawlessly with the Hero 7 Black. To sum things up, this action camera is still one of the durable ones, performing all the necessary tasks without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the DJI Osmo Action 3, known for being the best video camera on the low-budget segment. While DJI has typically been linked to drones and aerial photography, the company has expanded its innovation into the action camera segment, with the Osmo Action 3 serving as a prime example. This device is able to capture video in 4K at an impressive 120fps with 155 degrees field of view and includes Rocksteady 3 technology, which automatically balances footage while you move. That means your footage stays steady whether you're busy rafting, biking, skiing or otherwise. With 160-minute max battery life and even 150 minutes of continuous recording in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, the Action 3 is built to last wherever you go. The camera is waterproof to 16 meters without the need for any additional accessories, allowing you to dive deeper and explore further underwater. Plus, it comes with dual touchscreens in front and rear side with hydrophobic coating, letting you vlog, take selfies, adjust parameters, and enjoy crystal clear playback, even with wet hands. All in all, this action camera can go head-to-head against any high-end action camera in terms of ruggedness, filming, and stability. The next cam on our list is a 360-degree one, and it's the Insta360 ONE X2. As it's an extremely useful and readily pocketable device, it's also known as a Pocket 360 Steadicam. This device is excellent for shooting in different scenarios such as vlogging, extreme sports, skiing, group events, motovlogs, etc. The camera has a sleek form factor and a 360-degree field of view for capturing stunning footage. It's a feature-packed 360 camera having a 1/2.3-inch large sensor and wide f2.0 aperture. It can shoot video up to 5.7K and 2.7K in super steady mode. You can shoot video at H.265 encoding format with an advanced AI-driven image processing algorithm which lets you preserve the highest level of detail. It also has IPX8 dust and waterproof rating, so you have the advantage of shooting in all types of weather conditions and underwater shooting. On top of that, the huge 1630 mAh battery lets you shoot around 90 minutes continuously, which is the best battery endurance in this category. So if you want a feature-packed 360 camera that you can take with you wherever you go, the Insta360 ONE X2 is the one to get. Finally, we have chosen the GoPro Hero 11 Black as the best action camera at the moment. For a number of reasons, this camera deserves the top spot as the Action Cam King. Let's have a look at what are the mind-blowing features that this camera offers. First of all, this camera will give you unbelievable image quality. With a video resolution of 5.3K 60 FPS, which is 91% higher than 4K, the Hero 11 Black captures the action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality. It features front and rear LCD screens that lets you frame your shots perfectly, plus a new image sensor that unleashes the tallest and widest field of view of 170 degrees. The result is higher image quality, better video stabilization, and the flexibility to turn your footage into wide cinematic shots. A water-repelling lens cover even helps eliminate lens flare and other artifacts to make your photos and videos even more stunning. Its Hypersmooth 5.0 lifts the bar even further with horizon lock, greater stabilization for 4:3 aspect ratio footage thanks to the upgraded image sensor, and auto boost for maximum stabilization with the minimal amount of image cropping. Whether you are on a bike, skiing, chasing your kids through the park, or getting some awesome pet paw shots, even the shakiest footage comes out silky smooth on this camera. With all the new technologies included, you can see the unseen and discover more with the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications.